Making assumptions. We've all been told not to make assumptions. But are they necessarily a bad thing? You might be surprised to learn that the human brain is actually wired to assume things. It has to quickly sort through massive amounts of input as we navigate each day. Take something as simple as your morning commute. Let's say you remember that today is a minor holiday, so you think there might be less traffic. You just assume you can leave a little later and still arrive on time. If you wanted to be more certain, though, you might check the weather and traffic reports. But in most situations, we just don't bother to weigh every factor. That's because our time is limited, and many of the assumptions we make are low risk, meaning the stakes aren't very high. Sometimes they're wrong, but often they're right. Now, think about first impressions. When we meet somebody new, we look at their physical appearance, as well as their expression and gestures. It's pretty much all we have to go on. But since there are so many things that our brain can't possibly know right away, whether that person's having a good or bad day, or what's going on in their lives, it makes a lot of assumptions to fill in those missing pieces. It fills in the gaps with information we've collected from past experiences. When it comes to meeting new people, our assumptions can really miss the mark. But if our brain is designed to think in this way, what can we do to help us not assume too much, allowing us to keep an open mind? Try this. The next time you talk to someone you don't know that well, notice when your brain starts weaving a backstory. The more you can pause, recognize, and question these assumptions, the less likely you are to be misled by them. And over time, you'll have a better chance of seeing people for who they really are.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.